There's a verse in the Quran that scientists called impossible until they looked inside a cow. In Surah An-Nahl, Allah says,
نسقيكم مما في بطونه من بين فرث ودم لبنا خالصا.
we give you to drink from what is in their bellies, from between farth and blood, pure milk. The word farth means digested food, the green fermented waste sitting in the stomach. The verse says milk comes from between that and blood. For centuries, no one understood how. Here's what happens inside a cow. When a cow eats grass, it enters the rumen, a massive fermentation chamber. Bacteria breaks it down into a green, semi-liquid mass. This is the farth. But hidden in that waste are the raw materials for milk. Volatile fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose, the building blocks. These nutrients pass through the stomach wall and enter the bloodstream. The blood becomes the delivery system, carrying the chemicals from the digestive tract to the udder. But blood itself is impure. You can't drink it. So how does the cow produce something white, pure, and drinkable? This is where it happens. Inside the udder are millions of microscopic cells called alveoli. These cells sit at the exact junction where blood vessels meet milk-secreting tissue. They pull specific nutrients out of the blood, which came from the farth, and chemically rearrange them into something entirely new: lactose, casein, milk fat. And here's the number that shook researchers. 500 liters of blood must pass through the udder to produce just 1 liter of milk. 500 to 1. The udder isn't just an organ, it's a refinery. Read the verse again. Min bayni farthin wa dam. From between farth and blood. Min bayni. From between, not from farth, not from blood, from the space between them. In the 7th century, the circulatory system hadn't been mapped. No one had seen an alveolus, yet the Quran described it precisely. The word laban, milk, appears 5 times in the Quran, but the word that unlocks this verse is farth, digested food. It appears only once. I started noticing these patterns when I was learning the most repeated words in the Quran. There's a book that focuses on exactly these, the top 500 words that keep appearing.
Over 60,000 Muslims got this book, mashallah. Now